Final thing here, when it comes to marketing, is the passive outreach, right? We've been talking about active outreach, the one-to-one marketing, which is great. That's how you can do deals right now. If you want to automate this, say you're a little more passive, say you want to do the one-to-many outreach, say you want to consistently follow up and do deals, generate leads in your sleep, get calls back in your sleep, right? That is about automation and leveraging our technology to automate as much of your outreach as possible. And there's a couple things I want to point out here. One, we have email data. So you'll notice right here, here's all these email addresses, right? All these email addresses of owners. You can go in here and export that. So you can go to your lead actions, export leads, and it'll send you a CSV file of all the phone numbers, emails, all of that data right there for you to then, reach out with your favorite email client or favorite email outreach tool. So email data, highly recommend, exploring that. And we've seen some people get awesome results from that. Now, the other side of this is inside Deal Machine. You also have direct mail. You may have noticed this little start mail button down here, right? Or start mail at the top right here. When you click on any individual property and hit start mail, or the start mail button to your entire list right here, what it's going to do is it's going to actually go in here and use our default mail templates and say, you know what, do you want to send any of these postcards to this seller? And the probably the most powerful feature of this is when you click on that, it will then tell you, okay, how often do you want to send this postcard? And so you could actually go in here and say, yeah, every 30 days, send them a postcard for the next year. Hit start mail, and off it goes. This is what I mean, is that you're going to be doing, generating leads in your sleep in this way. So this is where you can use the power of automation to reach out. We talked about that stat earlier. You need at least 3 outreach touch points to really get yourself a good at bat with a seller. This is how you do it. You click send mail, and you can either send one of our default templates. Once you have those templates, then go into your mail sequences right here and create a sequence, which a sequence is just, hey, the order that I'm sending templates in, right? So in this mail sequence, I know that over 84 days, they're going to get this postcard from me. Then 21 days later, this one, 21 days later, this one, then this one, and then this one. And then the sequence is over. And so you can go in, create individual templates, organize them in order with your sequences. And once you have that, instead of just sending a one-off postcard like I showed you guys, you can actually go back in here and say, you know what, I'm going to send them an entire sequence. So that way they're getting different postcard styles, sizes. We have handwritten letters through Ballpoint Marketing. We have different sizings that you can choose from. All of that is going to increase your response rate and make it so they are more and more and more likely to pay attention to your mail, especially if you're combining that with calling and putting flyers on the door and emailing them, like all these individual strategies. You're giving yourself the best chance to catch their attention in their preferred method of communication and have a conversation with them about their property.